Are you looking for the best mobile toolbox? In this video, we will break down the top 6 mobile toolboxes on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1, KETER 241,008 Rolling Toolbox. This model's 7-inch rubber tires are considerably more durable and allow for better maneuverability than most competitors. Its removable bins are also really functional and make it easy to organize and access your fasteners, anchors, and other small hardware. Instead of just a single large compartment for your bulky tools and equipment, a handy movable divider allows you to customize it to fit your specific items. Also, its 66-pound weight capacity won't be sufficient for it to be used as a seat, but that's still enough to support a modest tool collection. Extendable handle for ease when rolling and 7-inch rubber heavy-duty wheels for mobility makes it easy when on the go. At number 2, DEWALT DWST08203 Toolbox. This toolbox takes it up to the next level by offering extra protection. If you want something that will protect your tools, no matter what is happening outside, this is the toolbox for you. The exterior is made of a durable 4mm thick foam wall. A water seal is sandwiched in between the lid and box to keep out moisture. Additionally, the box is compatible with DEWALT's Tough System metal carrier. Just latch it onto the carrier and secure it using the central locking mechanism. The Tough System allows you to expand your storage space with modular components to fit your exact needs. Also, this toolbox measures 21.6 inches wide into 13.6 inches deep into 12.7 inches tall. At number 3, PLANO 452006 Grab and Go 16-inch Toolbox. PLANO Grab and Go 16-inch toolbox is made of heavy plastic that holds up well in the average home. This toolbox holds the essentials needed for simple home repairs, hanging pictures, or tightening loose chair legs. There's no reason to spend a lot of money. But that doesn't mean you have to settle for an inferior product. Well, it's not designed for rough use on a worksite. The box measures 16 into 9.5 into 7.5 inches, which is adequate to hold a hammer, screwdriver, pliers, tape measure, and the other basics needed for around-the-home tasks. A lift-out tray and clear plastic organizer holds smaller items, such as nails, hooks, and screws. This is also a great choice if you want an organizer to hold craft or art supplies, or even fishing tackle. At number 4, GEARWRENCH Steel Toolbox. If you don't need wheels, a sturdy toolbox with a handle is just as great for lugging around your daily set of tools. Those in the market will appreciate this model because of its locking system and corrosion and rust-resistant frame. It features 3 drawers, and though it's smaller in size, it's perfect for toting around from job to job. This box is perfect for someone who needs a small toolbox to easily organize a small set of tools, wrote one customer. Also, the quality of the box is on par with any other name brand box. The drawers slide smoothly, and there is a detent to hold them in while the top is open. At number 5, STALWART Rolling Toolbox. The STALWART oversized portable tool chest is a good option for you. This rolling tool chest offers something other conventional toolboxes don't have: an abundance of space. With this tool chest, you'll get 3 large boxes, so you can bring your impact driver, framing nailer, and other bulky tools with you. Also, the large bottom box and the middle drawer are ideal for storing large and mid-sized tools. The top chest, on the other hand, gives you more organization options for smaller tools. It is secured by 2 metal clasps to keep your tools from falling out during transport. Moreover, these chests are made of heavy-duty steel and made stronger with injection-molded polymer reinforcements. They are locked in place with durable metal clasps to prevent them from coming loose during transport. What's great about this rolling tool chest is its versatile design. At number 6, MILWAUKEE Electric Rolling Toolbox. This toolbox supports single-handed operation as it slides and locks grip with ease. This capability also promotes a hassle-free experience when you attach and remove certain components. It has a high weight limit that can reach up to 250 pounds. This indicates how strong and sturdy this toolbox is, as it is capable of handling really heavy loads. Despite its high weight limit, this professional rolling toolbox still boasts of its modular design. In other words, it is possible for you to break down this item in order to create a lighter version of it. Do not be fooled, though, as this toolbox is already relatively lightweight on its own without having to break it down. Also, note that even if it is built to be robust, this stackable toolbox can smoothly roll over different terrains and surfaces. This capability can be attributed to the toolbox's all-terrain wheels. There's an industrial grade and heavy-duty extension handle built into this toolbox, as it also prevents difficulties carrying the item.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.